Hey, Bert Lauderdale here with Whether You Like It or Not. These are some of the shots I got in downtown Milwaukee and various areas surrounding it. The streets were brutal. The snow was coming down thick and heavy. I haven't seen anything like it since probably 2011 when the big snowpocalypse came through and hit the entire southeast part of Wisconsin. It was unbelievable. But this snow was entirely just thick, wet snow coming down heavy, coming down fast. And the plows came out just in time. They were everywhere to be seen, so shout out to them, the plow guys, the plow ladies, holding it down here in Milwaukee. What visuals though, just an absolute blanketing of the city. Absolute snow doom, if I say so myself.